everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a new fragrance to review. So if you want to see what fragrance I am going to review, please continue to watch. Okay, I am back, and the fragrance that I am going to review today is Haramain Amber Oud Rouge. Yes, this is supposed to be a clone for Baccarat 540. I have never smelled Baccarat, so I don't know if it's a clone or not, but I just wanted to purchase this fragrance for myself and try it out. Okay, first thing we are going to talk about is this packaging. It is simply gorgeous. Look at this box. Red, gold, the writing is in red. I mean, and it's like a coffin. I mean, where can you beat that at? This is a gorgeous box. Then you open the box up like this, and there is the bottle. And then look inside this box. You got velvet, red velvet. I mean, this presentation is number one. Okay, gonna get the bottle out. It's heavy, gorgeous. Now look at this bottle, y'all. Gold in the front. The writing rouge is in red, and when you turn it on the side as well as the back, it's clear, and you can see the juice. The juice is clear and the bottle is red. Just look at that. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Tell me it ain't gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. And it's have at the top up here, it has Haramain since 1970. I think that's what it says, since 1970. I think that's what it says. I don't know. I think that's what it says. Anyway. Nice sturdy cap. And you'll know if it's on there by it's supposed to click. Did y'all hear it? It clicked. Let's see. Okay. Let's take this off. Like I said, this is a heavy metal bowl packaging. I mean, Now, to tell you something about this fragrance was launched in 2020. Yes, this year. It was just launched. Okay? And I will have the correct notes up here, somewhere up in here. I'm just going to tell you what I smell. Okay? Let's see. Let's see the spray on it. It's good. If this is what Baccarat smell like, I like this. At least the opening so far. Now, this is definitely unisex. You totally smell saffron in this. I mean, when I first sprayed it, it was all up in here. Okay, now it's easing off now that it's drying down. Okay. I definitely smell oud in this. It's not overbearing, but it is in there. And I also smell the amber inside of here. And it smells woody too. So I'm assuming that amber and that saffron, when it gets together, it's what's making it sweet. It's not overly sweet. It's barely sweet. You can barely smell that sweetness. But now that it dried down, that's when you can smell the sweetness. And oud is also in the dry down. Now definitely anyone can wear this, but I think a more mature person could wear it best. Not no young person. I think a much older, at least in your 30s. 30 and up. Because this is a very mature oud fragrance. And it's definitely a nighttime fragrance. Don't try this in the daytime. Nighttime. And don't try it in the spring or summer either. This is a fall, winter fragrance. Now with this one, it lasts 8+ hours on my skin. But if I put it on my clothes, you smell it the next day. It's that potent. The silage on this is excellent. Excellent. Now this is a gorgeous scent. It's kind of complex, I guess, because of the saffron and the oudness in it. But it is definitely complex. Elegant, mysterious, sensual. Now I can see a woman wearing this with all black on. Nothing but black. Tall boots all the way up her thigh. A beautiful leather coat on. And she got her black gloves. She got her even a hat on, y'all. Yes. And she's out for the night. And that wind is blowing. Ooh. Gorgeous. She is mysterious. Sexy. Alluring. Can y'all imagine that? Let's go ahead on and rate this fragrance, okay? Okay, the presentation with the packaging. On a scale from 1 to 5. Of course, a 5. The presentation of the bottle. On a scale from 1 to 5. Of course, a 5. The spray on this bottle, I give it a 4. The juice inside this bottle, I give it a 4.5. The longevity of this fragrance, I give it a 5. The silage on this fragrance, I give it a 5. So, my overall number for this fragrance is a 4.5. Yes, y'all. This is simply gorgeous. Gorgeous. Comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know, have you heard of this fragrance? Do you even have this fragrance? And what do you think about this fragrance? Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.